In front of me is Oppo A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on this section, which is Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Then before doing anything, hit Recent at the top left corner and select one of those options. This way you can see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps you have on your Oppo, and apps with already disabled notifications. So pick one of those, and then hit blue switcher next to apps from which you want to block them. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same, now gray switchers. Quick tip, most people forget that you can go back. Click on the same section here to sort your apps, and then tap on the chosen one to manage this switcher at the top right next to Allow Notifications, and also check out all of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!